Hi, in this video I want to discuss about right way of investments. My name is Kumar. I am PMP certified project management professional and certified life coach and having Sharekhan franchising which is into investments like shares, IPOs, mutual funds, commodities, currencies and FDs, corporate FDs like this. Yep. Why we need investments? First thing is we earn for our livelihood, and as days goes on inflation also increases and value of the rupee value going down day by day, and our income also increasing sometimes. Of course every time it will increase. At the same time cost of living also increasing, prices of the goods, everything also increasing with the time. Sometimes your income cannot meet that increase in prices. So what do we do? Whatever we are earning, we are spending, and we are unable to save. So how to mitigate this? Like if you read book Rich Dad and Poor Dad, is one of the best book in the world which tells about investments. If you want to be rich after retirement also, you have to invest your income. So how much you have to invest? According to experts, if you are earning 100 rupees, you have to spend for yourself 70 rupees and 20 rupees you have to save or invest, and 10 rupees you can spend for charity and other things, right? So this 20% where you have to invest, where you have to save. If you save in bank savings account, it will give you 4% per annum. If you save in FDs, it will give you 7 to 8% depending on the tenure or senior citizens or whatever you take. If you see the inflation, it is also around 5-6%. So the money if you save in the savings bank account or if you save in FDs, after some years there is no growth in that. So what is the solution for this? Best solution is you have to invest in the stock market. Stock market in the sense just stocks. If you want to invest in the stocks for a long time like 5 years, 10 years, you can study some good stocks, or you can take advice from stock market experts, and you can invest for a long time. It will grow. Maybe after 5-6 years or 10 years, the money will get multiplied. And but there is a risk also in that. So, with the minimum risk, where you want to invest? With the minimum risk, you have to invest in mutual funds, wherein whatever money you buy any mutual fund as per your interest, then that money will be invested in like 10, 15, 50, 100, 200 like that. And a fund manager who will take care of that investments. His duty is that. His duty is to give minimum returns to the customers. He is paid for that. So if you invest in mutual funds, your money will be safe and it will grow with the time. The longer time you keep in mutual funds, and it will give higher returns. Nowadays, some mutual funds like equity funds, manufacturing and infrastructure funds, banking funds, value funds, focused funds, lot of funds are there. They are giving almost every year 30 to 40%. Every year 30 to 40% may vary, and giving consistently since more than 5 years. Say if you take minimum 30% also, your money will get double after every 3 to 4 years. Very good, right? If you keep in FDs, it will take 8 years to get your money doubled. Wherein if you keep in mutual funds, it will get double in every 3 to 4 years. As long as you keep your money there, it keeps on multiplying. Say if you are retired and you put that retirement money in that, you can withdraw every month from the profit like as a salary. Very good, right? So I suggest use mutual funds as your investment vehicle and multiply your money. Way of this is, like if you invest in mutual fund and if you want to withdraw any time, you can withdraw any time. Full amount, any amount you require, you can withdraw. And if you give a withdrawal request today, next third working day, it will be in your bank account. No need to follow up anyone. And it is all regulated by SEBI. No need to worry about the safety and all. I am showing you how it works. Understand this. Contact me for any questions or clarifications. And start investing today if you are not doing it. And if you are already investing, you want to know any more details, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box.
Now I will show you how this mutual fund works for lump sum and SIP. SIP means systematic investment plan. Say if you opt for a SIP investment like 5,000 per month. The frequency is monthly 5,000. Expected return is I am taking as a 25% because it gives more than that. I'll show you how much it is giving normal funds. And for 10 years, if you put 10 years, how much you are getting? 26,64,000 you are getting. Say the same SIP, if you continue for 15 years, it will become 97,78,000, almost 1 crore. So if you invest monthly 5,000 for 15 years, see the amount you are making it. Now if you ask me, is this guaranteed? It's not guaranteed. There may be small variations, but I will show you some of the past performance of mutual funds. Say for large cap, if you invest in large cap funds, see the performance of funds like 19,000 for 5 years, and in 2 years it is 24,000, 1 year 29%, like this. If you select small cap funds, if you see 5 years performance, so it is 45%, no, 37%, 35%, but we have taken as average 25%. if you have lump sum amount like say 5 lakhs, if you invested for say 10 years, it will become 46 lakhs, and if you put for 15 years, it will become 1 crore 42 lakhs. So the more the time you keep your money in mutual funds, you will get more returns. So this is how it works. If you want to learn more and if you want to invest, do call me. My number is 9491071229. I'll help you in this. I am a registered mutual fund agent, and I have Sherkan franchisee. We are into trading, stocks, and investments also. For any guidance, you can approach me. Thank you.